Cooking with Jose! Hello everyone! Welcome to Cooking with Jose! Today we are going to make some Rice Krispies and some egg sandwiches. This is my favorite person in the world, my mommy. So you're going to need 4 hard-boiled eggs and a bag of sliced bread. Be careful with knives, kids. Okay.
Yes. So we've already boiled these and taken off the shells, and now Jose is going to cut them. Is there any specific way they need to cut them, Jose? It's okay. Keep going.
Okay. So well, is there?
No.
No. Okay. No. You can really.
So where did you get this recipe from?
The YMCA.
Yeah. So the YMCA has a cool cooking class that Jose took. He had a lot of fun learning and trying new things, and he was able to cook with friends. So we want to make sure that we're also practicing knife safety, which is what they taught us at the YMCA. Remember?
Yes.
Jose, how was it?
It was fun.
But what did they teach you about knife safety? What do you have to be careful for?
The pointy stuff, and whenever you're walking with it, put it next to your side down, okay?
And you want to watch your fingers while you're cutting it so that you don't cut yourself.
Yes.
These are good practice knives. I got them from Amazon, and they really don't cut you, but they cut what you need to cut.
This pop.
Well, accidents happen.
Yeah. This when I was kids, accidents happen. Oh, so close. Oh, I think I went in that. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Be careful because this is actually really pointy, kids. Okay.
Push down into the actual.
You're supposed to push down.
And you can just chop it.
Okay, we're done.
I would say let's do these a little bit smaller so that they don't, so that everything's tiny in the sandwich. Because you don't want huge pieces and then really big pieces.
This is how you read a recipe. So, at the YMCA, they give you these papers, the grown-ups. So there's in here grown-ups. On top is the recipes, and then on the bottom is how to do it, okay?
The ingredient list.
And then what to do, directions, okay? So you need them to be extra small so it looks like this, kids, okay?
So it says that we need 2 tablespoons of mayo.
Okay. So this is how you use a tablespoon. So you get the tablespoon, get the mayo, put the mayo in.
So
Your parents will put the mayo, and then you just get that out.
And then we'll put another one, and we want to make sure we actually get everything out of it by tapping it on the bowl to clear it out, because we want to get all of it out.
Yeah.
All right, now the next thing we're going to grab is a 1/2 tablespoon of mustard.
Okay.
So Jose, is there stuff in this list that you've tried before?
Yes, I tried the salmon one. No, what was the salmon, right?
The tuna.
Tuna one? No.
You didn't care for that one?
No.
But you like this one, right?
Yeah, I love this one. Ew.
And it's your first time ever making it. Go ahead and put it in there. Tap it, tap it, tap it. And so Jose is usually very picky, but I think he really liked trying this when we tried it over there.
Mayo and mustard.
Okay, go ahead and turn it.
What?
Do one turn. Good. Now go back. You have to kind of go rotate it. Okay, perfect. And it says just add salt to taste. Okay, so now we're going to get a spoon and we're going to mix it all together. If you want to use this spoon, we can.
So you just mix really good, kids, okay?
Yeah, you want to get the mustard and the mayo over everything so that it's not just in one bite and not the other bites. So after we get it all mixed up, then we're going to actually take a break and clean up our area, because that's also one thing we learned in the class is that you want to clean up as you go.
Because moms.
Yes, we do not want to have to clean all of it.
Okay, we're back. So we're going to use hearts and stars. You don't have to use those. We're just using those. And
you don't actually have to cut them at all, but it makes them really cute. And you can have them with a little cup of tea and have a tea party.
So I'm gonna do the heart first. So you just push down
And so sometimes you have to give it a little wiggle when you push it down. Give it a little wiggle, and then you peel the rest of the bread away from it. And then now you have a cute little heart. All right, go ahead and do the second one. You want me to do the star?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll do the star while Jose is working on the last heart. So this is a really good idea for a lunch or maybe even like a little party. If you're gonna have a party, you can make these and have them as little finger foods. Okay, so then now all you do is load your bread lightly. You don't wanna overload it because then everything will fall out. So maybe 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
Of egg salad, and it can be a little difficult to get it out sometimes, especially if it's with all the mustard and stuff. And give it like a little.
And if you want to, you can put it on both. I want to put it on both right now.
Really? I think that might make it fall out.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
okay, you don't want to put it on both? So yeah. And then you just get the top one, and then you softly squish them together. And you have a sandwich.
Yay!
Okay, now we're going to put it on this plate. Next. To the next one, we are gonna put some broccoli on the side of our sandwiches. So yummy. So yeah, I like to call them tiny sweets. You can call them whatever, really. So yeah, let's just cut this.
Here, I'll help you get started, and then you can do the rest. Like this. So Jose likes to eat the top. So you go ahead and cut right here.
Beep beep beep.
Okay,
Yeah.
and knife safety. We have to watch our fingers.
Yes.
Okay. But you can pretty much have whatever you want on the side of your sandwiches. Yeah. What other things could they add? Like
bubble gum.
Pretzels.
No bubble gum. Yeah, bubble gum. That's
okay, bubble gum. Pretzels.
Ooh, carrots.
Carrots. But Jose really likes broccoli, so that's why we chose broccoli.
Yeah. Oh, and no, not carrots. And I'd also like lettuce, not salad, just lettuce.
I like broccoli with the ranch dip. It's yummy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and eat. Which one do you want? Do you want the heart or the star?
The heart.
Okay, I'll take the star. Ready? Get yours and we'll toast.
No, just eat this.
Okay, to our first video ever.
Ah!
Just like you remembered? Okay.
So good. So we're all gonna make rice crispy sheets. We'll put them on here, and at the end of the video, we'll eat it all together, okay?
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take 6 tablespoons of butter. So on this butter, it has all of the tablespoons listed. How many does that have, Jose? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so we have 8 tablespoons, but we only need 6, so we're gonna have to cut the last 2 off.
That's 2 off.
So just go ahead and push down. All right.
And you have to leave the paper on. You don't
it just
have
makes it
to.
a little easier.
Yeah, you don't have to, but if you don't do it, then it might feel a little greasy.
And it helps you to measure when the paper is on there as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna walk over here.
Yeah.
And bring your step stool. Now, kiddos, you will need your parents' help, or an adult. And we're gonna put this on medium temp, and we're gonna add the butter to the saucepan there.
Yes.
And we're gonna wait for that to melt.
And cut this one, right?
And while we're waiting for the butter to melt, we will go ahead and spray down the glass pan that we're going to use. And we're actually gonna be making 2 servings because we're gonna keep some here for us, and we're taking some to a New Year's Eve party that we're going to. The butter is melting right over here.
Yeah.
Might take just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then while that's done, we're going to
watch
grab...
me be funny.
Let me see. Open your mouth. So we're going to use 7 cups.
7 cups of what?
Of Rice Krispies. We're gonna add it to the butter when the butter is melted.
Ooh, okay. Can I scoop it and put it in?
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to be cautious because the outside of the
kids.
pot is gonna be hot.
Whenever your parents or your grandma or grandpa are cooking, and melting the like the butter. Go next to it and smell it. It smells beautiful. That's beautiful. It smells like a rose. It smells like no. It smells like white chocolate, kids. White chocolate. Just remember that smell. Oh my God!
Before the Rice Krispies, we're actually going to add the
Why are you
marshmallows
following
first.
me? Okay.
So with the marshmallows, we're gonna do about half the bag.
Half the bag?
Yep.
Half the bag.
Because it makes it gooey and it makes it stay all together. This is kind of like the paste.
The paste? What's the paste?
Glue.
Oh.
It's the glue of the Rice Krispies. Put those to the side for our second batch.
Okay.
So we're going to wait for this mixture to become all ooey gooey.
Gooey, 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 gooey.
And then we'll start to add the 7 cups.
Gooey, 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 gooey.
The 7 cups of Rice Krispies here in a bit.
Where's the cup? Oh.
Okay, watch out. I'm coming over here. Look at that.
Whoa. You should smell it while it has marshmallows. Like a rose.
Now that it's removed from the heat, we're going to start adding in the Rice Krispie treats. So go ahead, Jose, and add
the Rice Krispies. Oh.
the cup of Rice Krispies. And we need 7 cups. So all the way full, because if you don't go all the way full, then you're not getting the full measurement. Okay, go ahead and add that in there.
It has to look like this, kids.
So, Jose, where did you get the love of cooking from?
My mom, my parents,
Really?
and my grandma. Oh, and Miss Davis.
Yeah.
One of my teachers.
Miss Davis was his teacher pre-K and kindergarten, right? So that's
Yeah.
3. Here, you get 4. What would y'all do on Fridays?
We used to have the snack Fridays, and we'll make
Chef Fridays?
Chef Fridays, and we'll bake sandwiches. My favorite was the sandwiches, and then one of my other favorites is the chips. We'll get these. I never liked the carrots.
No?
No, never.
The carrots are pretty good.
And
5.
guys.
So now we got 1 more we need to get. So what's your favorite thing that I make?
The most thing that I favorite make has to be the apple dumplings with ice cream.
Oh, you like those?
Yeah.
What about abuela? Arroz con leche?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's Jose's favorite meal, and his abuela makes it for him all the time. Which, she's going to be our next guest.
No, what?
Remember? She's going to help you make arroz con leche. That's what we talked about.
Yay! Abuela's coming, Abuela. I pretty much have a song for everything. Abuela's coming, Abuela's coming.
Okay, so now that it's all mixed up, it says to then put it into the pan.
Go.
This is very sticky.
There it is, I'm gonna touch.
No, we can't touch. It's hot. It says to then pat it and make it flat. I'll let you do that part, Jose.
Yay, Papa.
No, with this.
Oh.
So, like, spread it out.
Whoa. And the very next day, he gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, he gave it to someone special. I come in like a wrecking ball, people.
Alright, and then we have to let it sit
Yeah.
for at least 30 minutes. But
No,
it said
what?
preferably an hour.
Probably not.
Jose, do you want to take a taste?
Oh my god, it actually tasted like a Rice Krispie. So we are gonna try the Rice Krispies, and then I'm gonna talk about some things at the end, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh god! Oh.
So yummy. Jose, you did so good.
It tastes like the power of love.
Like the power of love. Okay, swallow your food and then tell them what you were going to tell them.
Okay. Thank you, Carlos Harding, for sponsoring me and Wake Up Time Massage. And yeah.
We hope you liked the first video.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
All right, what do you tell them at the end?
Oh, and this, guys, this is really buzzing. It's buzzing. It's buzzing. Click the subscribe button and hit the like button and hit the notification button.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, we
bye.
hope you follow us. Bye.
Bye.